The vocational qualification gives you access immediately to the industry, gives you a foothold in the industry, gives you a face where people can recognise you. Then at that point you can study towards your vocation whilst being paid a wage. A vocational qualification can lead to many areas, and it's not, once you've achieved your qualification, it's not a case of you staying exactly where you are. It can move on to management and design, which will lead you back to university for another 3 to 5 years. So you don't have to simply remain in the vocation that you've chosen, you can move forward from there. We can offer you the experience of all of our staff. We're all very experienced and we've passed it on to our students. We also have a very well prepared support structure for any issues the students may have.
In my course, there's a lot of interesting aspects to it. So you've got the workshop. For a whole day you'll be in the workshop, getting your hands on, figuring how things work, to, in my situation, how the wires go in, how the switches work, how to get the lights switched on, how to make multiple lights work with one switch, how the consumer unit works with everything else. It's really interesting, personally, for getting your head around it and to see what's going on. And then in lessons, when you work out even more behind what's actually happening, it's a great experience. Be a student at the college, it's a great experience overall. The friendships you can make, to the relationships you can make with the tutors. My aspiration for myself is to hopefully get an apprenticeship in electrical and build from that, and hopefully one day have my own company that I can sort of work from and get somewhere with.